Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the physical basics so you don't chase phantom problems. Flip the ring/silent switch and check Control Center to raise volume and turn off focus. Once done, open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics to access ringer and alert sliders. You'll see separate controls for ringer and alerts. Use them so system sounds and media behave predictably. Make sure silent mode isn't overriding the ringer, and keep Bluetooth off briefly to avoid routed audio interruptions. Now you refine how iPhone plays sound and why each control matters. Set the ringer and alert slider to a clear level and decide if change with buttons should let physical keys adjust system tones. Select unique ringtones and alerts so you can test individual sound channels and confirm vibration choices under Sounds and Haptics. Make sure Bluetooth devices aren't grabbing audio. Go to Control Center and disconnect any unwanted outputs. Finally, open apps that manage media and confirm their internal volume and output settings, because app controls finish by testing all outputs so you know the issue is resolved. Restart your iPhone, play a ringtone, then try the speaker with music and wired headphones to isolate the problem. If sound still fails, update iOS because software fixes commonly restore audio behavior, then reset all settings as a non-destructive troubleshooting step. If nothing changes, hardware may be at fault. Check the speaker grill for debris and, if needed, contact Apple support or a repair shop. One key tip: try a restore only after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.